Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I would like to share a few tips on how to start doing your course using the edX platform. So here I have a quick, just like a quick guide for you to add content to your part, in your section. The temporary name for our edX competency nation MOOC is test MY MOOC. I think we can change this later. So this is to show you, to just give you a quick tour as a start. You see, once you get into this, I have added you as the SME for this content. You can actually change it accordingly. Edit your content. Under here, if you want to go into the outline, let me just. So here, this is the outline. Then under content, you can see updates. So if you want to do any course updates, then it will take you to this one still under content. The next one would be pages. This is when we can add a few more things in here. So by default, there is discussion, home and course, by default, and then discussion, progress, and wiki. So if we have a look at the next one, let's just so anything you want to do, just let us know. We can add a page for you. If you want to you can actually to double check. You can actually just go to live, view live. So under view live, you can see that you view this course as a staff. All right. You can see the top one. These are the pages. The home course is by default in there. You can't change that. And then there is perbincangan, discussion, progress, and so on. So this one we will add as we go along. And on the side, this is you can see that it's organized in a linear form. So we have Selamat datang, Unit 1, Unit 2, and so on. So let's then go on to the next one, which is a files upload. The files upload would be if you want to add your assets, you want to add your PDF, you want to add any PowerPoint or other things, which can help your students or your learners in their learning. Next in content would be textbooks. So if you have any textbook or e-book, for example, then you can add it in here. So the way to do it is just add new textbook or here. So just click on the green button. You will be using a lot of content, content menu, and you'll be using a lot of outline when you want to actually add in or edit your own topics. The next one under settings are the schedule or details. So this part, I think, as we go along, we'll add it to you as we actually add it in here. If you want to share with your students the link to invite them and so on, the course summary, if they want to enroll and so on, you can actually share this link. And then as you go along, this is when we need to actually put in about the course information. So I think we will come up with this as we go along. All right, and the next one would be grading. So later in the course, perhaps we can do some changes, because I'm sure we have different gradings and different for different assignments and so on. So then I think we can later meet up and see where we can sort of decide on what kind of grading policies that you want to do for this particular MOOC. And then course team, you can see the course team, I think. In edX platform, I'll be the admin for this course, but you can see at the moment there are all the competency USM MOOC here. I will add you on as you go along, and here you have full access as an author. All right. I think the rest we don't have to really go into that. That's probably not really relevant for the time being.